Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a skincare video. Ooh, very fancy. We're going to be talking about some Korean skincare today. I just tried out a foundation that was very highly anticipated. If you want to see the review, you can click the link, the little eye up here, and you can watch how that went. I'm sure you can already guess by how it looks on my face, but I'm dying to take this off. And I would like to talk about skincare because tonight is the type of night where I just want to treat myself after my skin just feels like crap from trying new makeup all day. I want to quickly say thank you to YesStyle for sending me over some products. We are going to go through them today and I'm going to show you some Korean skincare that's really awesome. I am not a skincare expert. I do know quite a bit about skincare because I work in cosmetics. I've worked for skincare brands. I still currently work with skincare brands, so I do know my fair share about skincare. However, I'm no Hiram. I'm not a dermatologist, so just want to put that out there. Do what works for your skin and what works for you. These are just some products that I think are really great that I think would be worth trying out. My husband just asked me if I'm talking to myself. No, I'm filming, you know the deal. This is going to be a little Korean skincare for beginners. These are just some basic skincare products. I'm going to use them on camera and that's what we're going to do. First, I'm going to go wash my face because I want to get this off. I am a double cleanser. I'm going to use an oil-based makeup remover first. I personally like a cleansing balm. So I'm going to do that and then we're going to wash our face. So cleansing balm, wash with that, get it all in there. Then I'm going to wash my face with a cleanser and then we're going to talk. Be right back. We're back and we're fresh-faced. What I did was I removed my makeup with an oil-based cleansing balm, which I do every single day that I wear makeup, which is most days. I typically use the Clinique cleansing balm. It doesn't irritate my skin, it doesn't have fragrance, it just works for me and it removes my makeup really well. I have tried others that I've liked as well, but that's just the one that I usually go back to. The rest of the products that I'm going to talk about in this video are Korean skincare products. You can get all of them on YesStyle, so I will link them below. You can use my code, it's just Kayleecarmel at checkout. What I did after my cleansing balm is I cleansed my face. So when you use a cleansing balm to remove your makeup, you're not washing your face, you're just removing your makeup. So you still have to wash your face afterwards. And I want to drive that home because it's super important. If you continue to go on with your skincare routine, yes, your makeup is going to be gone, but there's still going to be residue left and you don't want that. So what we do is we cleanse our skin with a cleanser. I use this one. It's from Pyeongchang. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, but I have quite a few products from them here. This is called the Low pH Pore Deep Cleansing Foam, and as you can see, my skin is nice and glowy and bright. It leaves your skin feeling very soft and smooth. I do feel like my skin is very clean after using it, and I really appreciate that. The great thing about this one is that you don't feel dry from it, and a lot of foaming cleansers make your skin feel really dried out because there's just not enough hydrating ingredients in foaming cleansers, and this one I find is very hydrating, so I do appreciate that a lot. My skin feels great after using this one. This actually comes in a little 3-step kit, which I'm going to show you. Really great for beginners. I'm going to make this a really simple skincare routine for you to follow along. If you're new to skincare, you'll get really great quality skincare items that aren't going to break the bank, and they also are not going to be like 20 steps. Right here is a little kit. So you can get this. It comes with a cleanser, a toner, and a moisturizer. It's really, really affordable. I will, again, link everything down below so you can see prices and everything. Typically, Korean skincare is very affordable, especially on YesStyle, and you can use my code. So that's my very first step, is I take off my makeup and I cleanse my skin. Here's an optional step. You can do a face mask at this point, which is really great. So let me show you one that I'm going to use today just to treat myself, but this is an optional step. You don't have to do this every day. These are some sheet masks from The Pure Lotus is the brand. Again, you can find these on YesStyle. I have a soothing and brightening one, and I also have a wrinkle treatment one. For today's purposes, I'm going to use the soothing and brightening one. These are really cool because you rip them open, and they have 2 steps. So the first step is in this first little chamber up here, and then the second step is down here. You get a nice little pad. Give you this nice little pad to make sure that there's nothing left on your skin. It doesn't feel harsh at all. There's no burning sensation. That's one thing with skincare you want to make sure that you're never feeling is a burning sensation. If you do burn at all from anything, wipe it off. Oh my gosh, it has a little pocket. I didn't even realize. Look, it has a little pocket. That is so cool. So now we're going to take out our little mask. This is a sheet mask. Ooh, very gooey, very gooey. Did you ever eat like lox and bagels? That's what this looks like. No shade to the brand, it looks like logs and bagels when you first pull it out. Kind of feels like a slimy salmon too. So when you unfold this, it's gonna look like the shape of your face, which is a little terrifying. Jason is quaking. Okay, so this smells really good. This is, again, the soothing and brightening one. So you just kind of stick it on. It looks like I'm putting salami onto my face. It feels really very wet, which is good. It means it has a lot of serum on it. That's what's on here. This guy will leave on for 20 minutes. Yes, very attractive. This feels super hydrating. I'm gonna leave this on for 20 minutes and I'll be back. The bologna is back, baby. And we're ready to peel off this bologna. Yes. All right. Oh, it's been 20 minutes and the bologna has come off. Ooh, look at all that serum. I will say the mask got way less wet because my face got more wet. The cool thing is there's a lot of extra serum in here, so you can use that on your face. So what I like to do is I like to kind of just rub the remaining serum into my skin. It feels really nice. You want to be super gentle and you want to rub in upward motions because, you know, gravity and things. You want to move everything upwards. It feels really nice. I always bring it down onto my neck because your neck gets wrinkly too. I'm glad I did that step. It's not like an everyday step, obviously, but it is a nice little treat when you feel like it. So next we're going to talk about toner. Toner is another really great step in your skincare routine that helps just make sure your skin is very clean and balanced. For toner, we have a couple of different options. We have the Pyeongtaeng Yule toner that came in a little kit. We also have this one, the Anua Heartleaf Soothing Toner, 77%. This one looks really good and I'm super excited to try this. However, this is the one that intrigued me the most. This one is by the brand Neogen Dermology, not dermatology, dermology. So this is the Neogen Dermology Probiotic Relief Toning Pad. This is dermatologist tested in biotechnology skincare. So that sounds really intriguing to me. You will find that on a lot of these products, you'll have to look at the description on YesStyle to actually understand how to use them because a lot of these are in a different language on the back, if you can see. I just look on YesStyle if I need to know how to put it on. So this comes with a little tiny little tweezer in there, which is nice because it keeps things very hygienic because if you dig your fingers into things, you get bacteria and germs in there. So these are little toning pads. So I'm gonna pick one out, my little tweezers. There she is. I'm just gonna run it on the skin. This smells amazing. Oh my God, it smells really good. Again, no burning or anything. It feels really gentle on the skin. Just adding an extra layer of goodness. Always, like I said, put it on my neck as well. I don't like to go on or around my eyes. That is a very sensitive area and you only wanna use certain products like eye cream in that area, and even then you want to be careful, so just keep that in mind. You don't want to put stuff on or in or around your eyes. And then last step, we have moisturizer. So we have two different ones. We have, of course, the one from the little kit. This is the nutrition cream right here. And then we also have the Dear Klairs Rich Moist Soothing Cream, which sounds very interesting as well. It says a comforting, deep replenishing moisturizer that contains a rich blend of hydrating ingredients. That sounds pretty intriguing to me. I felt both. I actually really like both of them. Both pretty lightweight. Since it is nighttime right now, I'm gonna use the super rich moist soothing cream. Moist. Let me say that one more time. Moist. Okay, so you want to do like a little dime size amount. You don't want to get too much moisturizer. Just run it between your hands and you just kind of, I like to go from the center and work upward. It feels really nice on the skin. It's giving my skin a nice little glow. This is such an easy routine. 3 steps. Take off your makeup, wash your face, tone it, moisturize it, go to bed. You can do this in the morning too. But yeah, this is just a basic easy peasy Korean skincare routine. Korean skincare is known to have amazing ingredients and be really affordable. Definitely give it a try. I'm just going to top it off with a little bit of a lip mask, which I like. I use the Laneige one a lot. This is the Morphe 2 Lippy Lullaby lip mask, very similar but in a squeezy tube. I really like this lip mask a lot because it's super thick. You can see how thick it is. And I like that it stays on overnight, so that's a really cool thing about it. But yeah, that is my easy skincare for beginners. Like I said, I will list all the products down below. You can use my code Kayleecarmel on YesStyle and you can find all of these products. If you're not used to using skincare, you're just one of those splash water on your face kind of gals or guys, try this stuff out. It's really affordable. It's a great little easy introduction to skincare. So check it out. If you like what you see, subscribe to my channel, follow me on social media. I will link everything down below like I always do. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I will see you on the next one. Bye.